Welcome to this video tutorial on testing and applying the user acceptance model in the CI Hub project. This tutorial will guide you through key steps in implementing user acceptance model to support small and middle-sized enterprises in their digital and sustainable transformation. The CI Hub project focuses on enhancing digital and sustainable business practices among small and middle-sized enterprises. The user acceptance model plays a crucial role in ensuring that businesses effectively adopt new technologies and processes while becoming more sustainable and competitive. The user acceptance model is a powerful framework designed to help manufacturing companies assess and accelerate their green and digital maturity. It evaluates performance across 7 key business process areas, helping companies gain a clear understanding of their current state. What sets user acceptance model apart is its practical approach. Beyond assessment, it delivers actionable recommendations tailored to each company's unique challenges. These concrete steps empower businesses to overcome obstacles, embrace innovation, and adopt new tools and technologies with confidence. The user acceptance model is tailored for 7 sectors, including electronics, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals and chemicals, metals, plastics and rubber, machinery and equipment, building materials, and furniture. The user acceptance model was developed and tested in 4 key phases, each playing a vital role in ensuring its effectiveness. 1. Evaluation, understanding the current digital and green maturity of companies. 2. Reporting, generating tailored reports with practical recommendations. 3. Consultation, working with experts to translate insights into actions. 4. Implementation, supporting real-world application of improvements. Now, let's walk through how a manufacturing company experiences the user acceptance model assessment process. First, a CI Hub facilitator will guide you through the assessment questionnaire covering all 7 business areas. The questions are designed to be straightforward while capturing the essential information about your company's current state. After completing the assessment, the user acceptance model system processes your responses to generate a comprehensive report highlighting your strengths, areas for improvement, and specific recommendations tailored to your company's unique situation. This report serves as the foundation for developing your transformation strategy with clear, actionable next steps. After receiving your user acceptance model assessment report, you gain access to a comprehensive support system designed specifically for manufacturing environments. Our network of consultants doesn't just identify problems, they work alongside you to implement real solutions, all accessible through the integrated CI Hub platform. The user acceptance model through CI Hub provides manufacturing companies with both technological and financial support for their transformation journey. This dual support approach ensures that your company has both the tools and resources needed to successfully implement the recommended changes. Implementing the user acceptance model recommendations delivers multiple benefits to manufacturing companies. These benefits translate into tangible business outcomes, including improved competitiveness, increased profitability, and stronger market positioning. The user acceptance model is a crucial tool for manufacturing companies on their digital and sustainable journey. By providing clear assessment, tailored recommendations, and comprehensive support, user acceptance model helps you take smart, confident steps forward. The user acceptance model isn't just a one-time tool. It enables ongoing improvement and connects you with a vibrant ecosystem of partners through CI Hub to foster long-term innovation and collaboration. Be part of the CI Hub transformation. Visit our website to learn more about how the user acceptance model can support your company's specific needs and connect you with our ecosystem of partners and experts. Let's build a smarter, more sustainable manufacturing future together.